Your question loop, for each, over an array in JavaScript. Your answer. You can use the for each method to loop over an array in JavaScript. The for each method takes a callback function as an argument, which is executed once for each element in the array. The callback function takes 3 arguments. 1. The current element in the array. 2. The index of the current element in the array. 3. The array object being traversed. Example. Const console.log, element, index, array. //output, //101, 2, 3, 4, 5. //211, 2, 3, 4, 5. //321, 2, 3, 4, 5. //431, 2, 3, 4, 5. //541, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your question: how can I validate an email address in JavaScript? Your answer. You can use a regular expression to validate an email address in JavaScript. Below is an example of a regular expression that can be used to validate an email address. Let re equals /w plus \dot dash \w plus at \w plus \dot dash \w plus \dot \w2 comma 3 plus $// to use if retest email console.log valid email address else console.log invalid email address. Your question: how do I replace all occurrences of a string in JavaScript? Your answer. You can use the string.prototype.replace method to replace all occurrences of a string in JavaScript. This method takes 2 arguments, the string to be replaced and the string to replace it with. For example, if you have the following string, let mistring equals hello world, you can use the replace method to replace the word world with universe. Let newString equals mistring.replace world universe. Console.log newString // hello universe.